These are a few clips I took while trying to diagnose an issue with the diff lock on a 16M grader. I thought I would chuck them up on YouTube and maybe help someone else with the same problem. As the video starts, you will see me pointing out how to switch the diff lock on and the non-existent light on the dash.
The diff's open and the wheels spin. Usually you hit this switch here and then a light comes up on the dash and we're locked. So I found the relay. This is another one just because I was looking at the term.
In the next clip, I'm talking about the relay and how we should have power and earth and get 24 volts across them. Also, I talk about the other two wires being the switch wire that will activate the coil and send power through to the fourth wire to activate the diff lock.
Terminals, so that's it there. So the yellow wire is power supply, so there's always 24 volts there. And this one here, the black wire, that's ground. So there should be 24 volts there at all times, no matter what. So we got 27 because it's running, okay? So then this wire here, the blue wire, sorry, that one there, that's the switch. So when you hit the switch on the joystick, it should switch and energize the coil, and it will switch the power to this wire here. And this wire goes to the diff and turns the lockup on. So down on the diff, there's a solenoid that'll actuate the lockup, and because I can't get it to switch, I want to test to see if that solenoid is working. So I remove the earth wire and put the spoon into the other side of the relay, and then I bridged it, okay? So now you'll see the lights on the dash, because I'm avoiding the switch, and I've just gone 24 volt straight to the power wire.
In the last clip, what I've done is taken my test probes and used them to bridge from 24 volt supply straight to the lockup wire. Avoiding the switch and relay coil, I'm attempting to determine if the fault is within the cab or down at the diff. As you will see, when I plug in the connector, you can clearly hear the lockup clutch engage, which tells me the problem is back up in the cab.
So I've pulled apart the joystick now, that's the switch, and if it focuses, that there is a broken earth wire, so that's the problem.